Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and expert. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So DXY is flying again. After the market opening, we can see that DXY is extremely bullish right now. Right now standing at 101.57. As I have already discussed in my previous video that we do not have any strong static or horizontal resistance on the chart of DXY. The next big support for resistance for DXY is 102.50 to 103 level. So this is the next big resistance for DXY. So as of now, DXY is extremely bullish. But in the chart for the chart of DXY, I think that we can draw a trend line like this, and there is a possibility that there may be some sort of correction. My dear friend, I'm just saying that there may be some sort of correction around this level, not a trend reversal. DXY is very much bullish as long as it is trading above this level. Okay, DXY will remain bullish. If we see red candles in the middle of the chart by today, tomorrow, those will be corrections, not trend reversals. Okay, so we may see some sort of correction on the chart of DXY right now, but overall DXY is bullish, and I think there's a high possibility that in the coming days DXY will be heading towards 102.50, 103 level. And if the uptrend of DXY continues, then obviously GBP USD, Euro USD will be under pressure. Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD now. So Euro USD, as we can see that it has crossed the important support zone of 1.0765. In my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, I talked about this level, and I also told that in this present market condition, there is a high possibility that Euro USD will be taking the level and will be going down. So as per our expectation, we can see that yes, heavy selling is going on right now. Things are not positive for Euro USD or GBP USD as of now. So we had two important supports on the chart of Euro USD. First of all, 1.0765, and the second support was 1.0730. And right now we can see that market is trying to break. Yes, market is trying to break the second support here. If market breaks the support and starts going down, then obviously there will be very much trouble for Euro USD, and fresh selling may come and you can take a sell position as well. But right now I'll say that, see, one candle has crossed these two support together. Okay, so I'll say that right now do not take a sell position. There may be some sort of price rejection as well, because buyers try to understand the market situation here. The buyers present in these support level will try to hold the market, because the strong buyers present in this level, okay, will try to protect this level, because if market breaks this level, then thousands and thousands of people will lose their money. The many big shots will be losing their money as well. So they will give their best fight. There will be a battle between buyers and sellers. But looking at the present market condition and the bullishness of DXY, there is a high chance that the sellers will win this battle. But still, we are small time traders. Okay, we are retailers. We cannot drive the direction of the market. So as a result, we need to wait for some time so that we get the confirmation. So if the selling continues in the market, then we can take a sell position. But taking a buy position in this market situation is extremely risky. So if you have already taken a buy position, then my dear friend, simply I'll suggest you that please follow proper risk management and be careful, because you are taking a trade against the trend of the market. I think that there is a high possibility of market breaking the support, or market will continue the selling pressure as well. So if this happens, so yes, you can take a sell position and be on the trade. There may be a free fall in the market as well, and in case, okay, listen to me carefully, in case market tries to recover, then 1.0760 1.0765 will be acting as the resistance as well. So if market goes up and reverses from here, then also I think that we can take a sell position. But as of now, as market has just crossed the level, so I think that being the first half of Monday, I think that we should wait for some time. Okay, it's better to wait for some time and watch the market first. And if you have already taken a buy position, be careful. Okay, be careful, because the trend of the market is very much towards the downside. I think that selling is a better idea, as we all know that market has only one rule, that is follow the trend. So please follow proper risk management, because any good trade setup, any analysis may fail. I may also fail in the market, my analysis may fail in the market, but it's you who needs to protect his hard-earned money and capital. Okay, bye bye, take care.